feeling? $800. Actual retail price is $1,982. Minnie! On your purse. Don't trust anybody to talk. Somebody can go to your purse right now. Here, be careful. What do we have for Minnie today, Rich?
Minnie is a great big Jeep. It's the Jeep Wrangler 4x4 standard with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and 16-inch steel wheels, plus 4-speed automatic transmission and paint protection. The Jeep Wrangler.
Jeep Wrangler is very nice, but it's not $31,275. Every one of these numbers is one way from the right number. Okay, so this 3 should be a 4 or a 2. The 1 should be a 2 or a 0. Same thing with all the other numbers down here. All you have to do is give us the right numbers and you got a brand new Jeep. Okay, and Lanisha's going to help us out. We'll start with the 3. It's going to be a 4 or a 2. 2. And how about the next one? A 2 or a 0. 0. And the next number should be a 3 or a 1. 3. And then an 8 or a 6. 8. And a 6 or a 4. 4. 20,384. Now, this game really depends on your relationship with one of our backstage people, the famous sound effects lady of Price is Right. Our famous sound effects lady. Now, you have to ask her as sweet as you can. Oh, mighty sound effects lady, do I have at least one number right?
Oh, what's the name?
Mighty sound effects lady.
What's the name? Do I at least have one number right?
Oh, mighty sound effects lady, do I have 2 numbers right?
Oh, mighty ladies.
Close enough.
Stop. Do I have 2 numbers right?
Yeah. Try again. Oh, mighty sound effects lady.
Oh, mighty sound effects lady, do I have 3 numbers right?
That's the mighty sound effects lady. Can't get 4 numbers right.
Oh, mighty sound lady, do I have 1 number right?
You are so good. You have 3 numbers right, okay? We have to change 2